Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Armless Swivel Mesh Computer Office Desk Chair designed for comfort and support. This chair features a 360-degree swivel seat and smooth swivel casters for easy movement around your workspace. Its height is adjustable between 33.1 and 37.8 inches, accommodating both children and adults with a weight capacity of 250 pounds. The ergonomic design includes a C-shaped backrest and upgraded Y-shaped lumbar support to reduce back pain. Made with high-density mesh and a sturdy gas lift cylinder, it offers durability and breathability. Perfect for offices, conference rooms, home use, or student dorms, it provides a comfortable seating experience. Plus, the chair is easy to assemble with clear instructions and a quick setup time of just 15 minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.